Hey there, Snapchat enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we share valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to enable scanner mode in your snaps. If you want to scan objects and get related results instantly, this full guide is for you. Let's dive right into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow ghost icon either on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Once you're inside the Snapchat app, you'll be in the camera section. Look for the lenses icon, located below the top right menu. Tap on it to access the lenses options. Step 3. Face your camera towards what you want to scan. Snapchat's scanner mode will automatically detect the object and display relevant results based on what you scanned. By following these simple steps, you can easily enable scanner mode in your snaps, allowing you to scan objects and instantly get related results. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.